For this project you're going to need a tote bag, some fabric, threads, fabric glue, scissors, needles and pins. Cut 3 simple tulip shapes out of the fabric. Cut 3 sets of leaves out of the fabric. From a single colour fabric like this blue colour, cut 3 stems. Secure the pieces in place with the fabric glue. As a pretty effect, blanket stitch around the outside of the tulip heads and the leaves. Use a running stitch along the stems up and down either side. Create 5 lines of back stitch and then finish each end with a French knot. For this project you're going to need a tote bag, rollers and ink and a tray, lino board, lino cutting tools, a needle and some thread. Transfer the bee pattern onto the lino board. This can be as simple or as complicated as you like. Use the lino cutting tools to cut out the details in your pattern, remembering to cut away from your body as you go. We don't want any little accidents. Once the whole pattern has been lino cut, cut closer to the bee with a pair of scissors. Roll the ink over the lino stamp a few times, make sure it's well coated. Put some paper inside the bag so it doesn't stain. Using a large clean roller, press down on the back of the lino print. You can lift up the corner to double check that it's taken the stamp well. Print about 5 times and allow to dry. This could take up to 1 to 2 days. After it's fully dry, stitch in between the stripes of the bee using the yellow thread. For this project you're going to need your Cricut machine, a standard grip mat, a drawstring bag, a pin for weeding, a vinyl application tool and the glitter vinyl. After choosing your design from the Cricut Design Centre, stick your glitter vinyl back to front on top of the standard grip board. Load into the machine and let it do its thing. Once the pattern has been cut, remove it from the board and use a pair of scissors to cut closer to the vinyl. Weed away the excess vinyl using your hands and a pin or the Cricut tool. Once it's been removed, place where you want it to go on the bag and use an iron and press down on a high heat without steam. Double check the vinyl to make sure that it's stuck firmly. Then remove the plastic sheeting. Now it's time to fill with your gorgeous selfie kit.